Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go!
Everyone moving immediately at the start of the autonomous period. Cyborg Cats lining up with L4 on their reef, but having a bit of trouble getting fully lined up. They can still try again though, grabbing another coral and going to possibly try and score it, but it does not appear to have made it into their manipulator. Coming out of auto, all tied up at 9-9. Saber Robotics looking to build up some algae scores possibly, lining up their roller claw to pull off that algae and take it to their alliance's net. Rather, they move over to the processor to drop it off there instead for 6 points. 1178, that's Dirt, pulling out a coral from the coral station. Now moving over towards that reef near their alliance partner, 5889 Commando Robotics. Dirt extends their air piston, looking to place that coral on L2, which they will for 3 points. Their alliance partner there in the back, Meat Tool Brigade, lined up with a coral on their robot. They appear to be trying to knock it off and get it free, which they will, allowing them to go back and retrieve another. Saber Robotics now switching over to scores into that net up top. They pop an algae up there as their human player pops up another from that processor. Each of those 4 points to the Red Alliance. So 8 total, Saber making it 12 with this one now. 6391, that's Ursula and Robotics working quickly to cycle that coral. They go towards L2, but have a bit of trouble getting it to stay on. It spins off, and they go back to try another. They get this one, though, and get 3 points for the Red Alliance. Cyborg Cats now over in the coral station. They've taken a coral from there, going over to their reef and reaching up to L4. They line up to possibly try and score it if they can, which they will. 5 more points to the Red Alliance. Saber Robotics cranking away, continuing their work as we enter 30 seconds remaining. 107-43 towards the Red Alliance as the time starts to run down. Both alliances have done the cooperation, lowering the threshold for that coral RP. With those pings, we know that it's time for the end game. 2 robots trying to go up for the Red Alliance. Cyborg Cats in the air. Saber Robotics lined up to try and join them, which they will. 2 Blue Alliance robots parked in these final 3, 2, 1. To the Red Alliance with a score of 138-51. Red Alliance also carrying the auto and barge RPs as Ursula and Robotics moves up to rank 7. If they hold it, that will put them in a plausible